Are you seeing the NPP 64 DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal.
To start fixing NPP 64 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the NPP 6410, the NPP Image Geometry Library. It provides unmanaged routines for image resizing and warping, managing the visual data link for hardware-accelerated graphics manifests.
Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix.
Since NPP 64 DLL is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts.
When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer.
A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including NPP 64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online.
Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future.
The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like NPP 64 DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders.
Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks.
If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on NPP 64. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for NPP 64 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.